the knight in shining armor in your movie would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste. Now I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason that I just can't concentrate. Lie, 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 you tried to hide, but now you know it, that I'm at an all-time low, 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 I'm